you have dry hair and are looking for an added dose of moisture and shine, I definitely recommend using this mask. This mask has amazing ingredients that will leave your hair more smooth, soft, and shiny than ever before.
One of my major hair concerns has always been dryness. This mask has actually helped me retain more moisture throughout the week. This protein-free mask is fortified with green smoothie-inspired phytonutrients like avocado oil, kiwi fruit extract, and spinach leaf extract.
I love that this has avocado oil because it just really helps to nourish and condition my hair without weighing it down.
My curls are defined and popping because of all the moisture from this mask. It has literally made my hair so soft and my curls so juicy.
Once your scalp is nice and cleansed, apply the mask,
focusing on your mid-lengths and your ends.
Leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing,
and voila!
My hair feels amazing. It has shine, bounce, and it's super moisturized.
My curls feel so soft, they're so shiny and defined.
I instantly noticed how soft and shiny my usually dull hair looked.
I couldn't be happier with the results. My curls are smooth, soft, shiny, and healthy, and my hair was so much more manageable in this process.
I would definitely recommend this since it's perfect for all hair types.
I'm definitely going to be using this regularly because I see better results each time I use it.